Hi everyone, so I thought I'd come on make a quick video. It's now 2024, so I thought I'd come on make a video about how to make learning to drive easier for you. And that is the theory test. So when you're revising for the theory test, a lot of people simply just guess the answer that goes with the question. This isn't going to help you at all. Okay, you might pass your theory test, but what have you learned? The theory test is designed to help you understand different road conditions and how driving in them might help you make a decision. So I'm going to recommend when you are studying for your theory, understand the question, understand the answer that goes with the question, and also put the effort in. When you pass your theory, it's just not a case of like, yeah, pass my theory, well done you, fantastic. The test isn't hard with a bit of studying. Even off general knowledge, you should be able to get 38, 39 just on general knowledge alone. So I'm going to recommend know your traffic signs, read the book. Also, this book, the official DVSA guide to driving the essential skills. Also, there's another book called Learning to Drive on the back there. See this one, Learning to Drive. And also this one, the Better Driving book. If you put all them together, when you get to your driving lessons, you'll have the knowledge to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. Makes driving easier. Hope that helps. Bye for now.